developed in the year 1989. If you see, actually, this is like a fun-based invention. In the year 1989 and before, I think 84 something, students from one Western University, they are searching Coca-Cola in their cafeteria. But at that time, that minting machine is not having this kind of soft drink. So they are really disappointed. So they are walking far away to search. So they want to find the information. They want to know the availability of the Coca-Colas or some soft drinks, things, the numbers from the canteen, and they want to know in their place itself. So they want to develop these ideas. And exactly in the year 1989, first IoT device is created. It's nothing but that bread toaster. By using the internet, the scientist's name I forgot. He invented this one. By using the internet, he is turn on and turn off that toaster. This is the first invention, and afterward it's developed year by year. And now you can see, we cannot imagine the world without IoT. If you see in the year, we are in 2023. If you see after 2 years, these are the predictions of IoT devices in the world. Okay, you can imagine now the population is around 8 billion. Okay, but if you, it's like unbelievable thing, but this is the factor. Okay, globally, around 27 billion devices will be connected, and the revenue forecast is 3 trillions. Just imagine. Okay, and also the data transfer between the devices and then the consumer device is around 2 zettabytes. Zettabytes is nothing but 10 to the power 21. Okay, so this much predictions are there. This is the most hot topic. Okay, live wire topic in the current development. So definitely, you guys, you should know about the basics. First of all, the basics and how to do a small thing, a small project. How to do by using this. It's a very good opportunity. You have to understand the concept, and that you can develop in your final year projects, and you can do a very good thing for your final projects. Okay, fine. So what are the things are involved in this operation? Okay, so these are the main components of uh, just I want to check, yeah, is it fine? uh, Abdullah sir, are you here? Is it fine? Can you hear all of you? Shall I proceed? Excuse me, can anyone reply? Okay, fine. Right. So these are the main components in IoT platform. Okay, if you want to say that term IoT, is very important thing is sensors. Okay, sensor is the important hardware part. Okay, and it will be getting the information. Okay, you can see the detail in this slide. Okay, the sensor which is used to receive the information. For example, if you want to sense the room temp, if you want to control the room temperature, okay, of one particular place, you want to sense what is the exact temperature. For that, we need a temperature sensor, right? So by using the sensors, first we are collecting the information, and that information is going to the internet. So it's called a connectivity. So by using the network protocols or Wi-Fi, and then VLAN, we have to connect the information which is received from the sensor to the IoT platform. Okay, so these three are very, very important sensors, which is used to collect the information and data that is going to transfer the data to the IoT platform with the help of the internet. Okay, so if you see here, the IoT platform is act as a mediator between the hardware and the application layer. The application layer is nothing but your desktop computers or laptop or mobile phone. That's an application. By using that, you can monitor, okay, what is the condition and how to control. Okay, so here in this presentation we are going to focus this IoT platform. Okay, So how the IoT platform is helping the uh, researchers to transfer the data, and how it is working as a mediator between the hardware and an application layer. Okay, that's what we are going to discuss, and these are the best IoT cloud platforms. Okay, this is the top five IoT cloud platforms. You can see here it's mostly run by that software monsters like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Oracle. They all now invest huge money into this research, and they are already aware that this is the next technology. After a few years, this will be the future. Okay, so we can apply this kind of IoT based application in all that. There is no limitation. We can apply this technology in all the fields. Okay, especially the smart city. Nowadays, you know that smart city project, it is implemented in the year, I think, 2016, and the target is 2024. In India, almost 100 cities are selected to conduct this type of smart city projects. And then around 40, I don't know the exact numbers. Okay, the huge money is already spent for this one. So what is the need of that smart city? What's the speciality of that one? In Spain, Barcelona, they already developed a smart city, and in China, Seoul also they developed a smart city. These people are really getting a lot of benefits by using this IoT concept, and then that smart development in the city. For example, if you want to control that collection of waste, for example, garbage monitoring system. Okay, in some places the waste is almost overfull from the garbage bin. So how we have to take it out, and how you can make your city clean. So for that, this IoT technology is used. And today I'm going to do that example demo project for this smart garbage system. So by using this, we can easily collect, and also you can guide the vehicle which is going to collect the waste from the garbage system. It can find the shortest route, and where the garbage are already filled, there they can spend, they can move, and they can take. And also in the field of agriculture, okay, that IoT technology is very useful for the farmers. It will sense the soil's quality, and also that water level, moisture level, humidity, temperature. By using the all sensors, it will sense the current informations, and it will forward the information to the IoT platform. And through their mobile phone, they understand the status, and based on that, they can, even without any human intervention, they can turn on the motor or turn off. Okay, that's all possible. And also in the healthcare industry, it's a amazing concept in healthcare industry. They are using this IoT. For example, if you are connecting the patient with this IoT platform, what happen? Even if he is in a house, okay, the devices are collecting the patient's information. Okay, for example, his heartbeat and other sensors which is related to the medical field. It will collect the information for the particular patients, and it will transfer the data to the particular monitoring unit. So what happened? Even the patient is in the house, the complete information is which is received in the hospital monitoring unit. So if in case of any emergency, they can easily update the collect all the informations, and it will be very useful for the particular patient's health, and it will avoid it will just simply amazing, and it will save the time, and also save the lifetime of the particular patient. So if you are connecting, okay, if you are sharing the information, okay, to the control unit, okay, you can easily, okay, give the proper control actions to get the proper results. Okay, so fine. So what I'm going to do, I want to skip all these things. So straight away I'm going to the platform, IoT platform. Okay, so if you go to Google, okay, and if you search, you can find, okay, this thing, just a minute. Yeah, I just want to open that Yes. Yeah. Okay. I don't know how many of you are aware about this Arduino. Just you go to that Google search engine and just click Arduino. You can find this page here. Okay, you can download the Arduino software. So actually, first of all, you should know what is this Arduino. Okay, so it's very simple thing. Okay, it's an open source software. By using this, you can write the program, and by using the program, you can transfer the information. You can see here, this is the page. Okay, here lot of ribbons are there, like hardware, software, cloud, all these things are there. So I'm just going to click this software. Okay, and if you click software and if you scroll down, you can find the latest version. This is the latest version Arduino. It's open source. Okay, whoever you want, you can download based upon your OS, what OS you're using. Based on that, you can download these things. Okay, and the other versions also available here. Which one you feel comfortable with respect to your device, you can download it. Okay, once you download, okay, you can find, okay, you can get a page like this. Okay, I just want to open. Yeah, you will get this page. Is it visible? Can anyone update me the
Yes,
status
sir,
of the
it is
screen?
visible.
Okay, I'm just going to open the Arduino software.
Yes.
Okay, so this is one of the program which I'm going to run. Before that, I just want to tell you what are the things are there in the Arduino software. Once you, it will take only 5 minutes of time. Okay. After that, you can just see these are the ribbons there here: file, edit, sketch. Okay. First, I'm going to just click the file and I'm going to open a new one. Okay, so this is the page. Actually, this is the setup. We have two set of things are here. One is void setup and another one is void loop. So here, whatever the codes you are typing here, it will run only once. And in the loop function, if you see here, whatever the code you are here typing here, it will run repeatedly. So I know that we guys are not like that programming part. Okay, you have a mind. I know your mind wise. You guys want. I don't like computer science. I don't want about to learn that coding part. Don't worry. Even if you don't know the coding part, is very simple. Here you can find the examples which is already given here for the different applications. These are the basic applications. Okay. If you scroll down, and for example, if you want to control something or if you want to display something, okay, that is the option. Okay. If you click that one, you will get the default program which is written by this Arduino platform. Okay, so you can see here, this is bridge. And for example, I want to use the program related to that DHT sensor, means you can get it from here. And this is for liquid crystal. If you want to blink the LED, okay, if you want to make the blink operation, okay, like on and off of your display, you can use display. You can use this coding. Okay, so don't worry about the coding part. But one thing is difficult here. But for example, if you want to run this program, what happened? You have to install the proper library. Actually, you see, this is called that library. Okay, you are going to include. My aim, I want to make a on and off function, okay, in a liquid crystal display. Okay, for example, I want to display the uh, term hello world. So this text I want to print. So for that, what I have to do, I have to install this library. Okay, if you are not installed this library, some error will be appearing and it will be comes in this place. Okay, so for example, how to include that library. You can see here that you can include in this sketch ribbon. If you click this sketch, and here you can find the include library. So here you can search also. If you just click the manage library, you can find different libraries. There you can search and then just you have to install. For example, I want to install ESP8266, for example. Okay, or if I want to install that liquid crystal library, means you can just click sketch and go to that include library here, for example. Okay, if you type like this, you can find the related libraries based on the search keyword. Okay, so it will be here. See, liquid crystal. So this I already installed. If not, what you have to do, you have to select the version and you have to install. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and similarly, you can also select the type of board. Okay, so coming into the board, I want to tell you, I want to move to the hardware here. So this is the software. You just go to the Google search engine and type software and type the Arduino. You can find this page. In this software option, you can download. Okay, so by using this is the open source software. You can easily write the codes. Okay, and you can upload the code in the board. So what is board? You have a doubt, right? So this is nothing but your microcontroller based board. You can see here these are the different boards of Arduino platform. You can see here there are a lot of boards. Can you see the different boards name? Excuse me. Can you see this hardware slide? Arduino hardware Nano family, which is screening. Excuse me. Can anyone please? What is on screen?
So the hardware pictures shown it, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, that's what I want to show you. Fine. So here you see here there are a lot of boards are available. Okay, here, and you want to know it will be too much costly, right? Nothing. You can see I just want to show you what is the price of this Node MCU board. This is the Node MCU board. By using this Node MCU board, I'm going to show you the demo. You see in Amazon, it's below 500 rupees. You see here, it's only around it's 400 rupees only for this board. Here we have a lot of features. You can upload the project code and you can control the devices. It's really amazing thing. And whatever the application, based on that you can select a type of board. There are different boards are there. Okay, so recently I'm using ESP boards. Okay, because it's very user friendly and you can easily use this kind of board for that IoT based applications. These are the different boards. It started with Nano, and then MKR, and also that ESP. Lot of things are there. So I'm going to use this Node MCU. You can see here. This is the picture of the Node MCU pin out. You can find. Okay. So here you can know. Okay, there are several input and ground pins. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 ground pins are there, and 3 supplies are there. Okay, here you can find. Excuse me, can you see this Node MCU pin out? Is it fine? Shall I proceed this pin details?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So these are the different input. You can see this is general purpose input and output pin. So there are totally 16 pins are there. So according to your need, if you can connect the devices to this one. For example, I want to sense that temperature. Okay, so I have to use a temperature sensor, that THT sensor, DST sensor we can use. There are 3 pins in most of the sensors. We are having a 3 pins. One is supply, another one is to the ground, and last one is a pin which is going to connect the board. Okay, so for example I want to show you that I think, is it visible or not? I just want to show my screen. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Okay, Okay, fine. So this Node MCU board. Okay, ESB8266 board. Okay, here I'm connecting my devices. Actually, in this project demo, I'm going to connect two sensors. One is IR sensor. Okay, this is your IR sensor. Okay, and this is your ultrasonic sensor, and this is the okay servo motor. I'm going to use this one, and this is our node MCU. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, I just use a simple breadboard to connect all these things. So what I want to say, you can use this input and output pins to connect the sensors in the board. Okay, fine. Let's see. If you want to connect that analog signals, okay, we have to use this analog pin. Okay, and mostly we are using the digital pins, so we have around 16 number of digital pins. And if you want to display something in the LCD screen, we are going to use this two pins, D1 and D2, is especially for clock, and then also that data pin. So these are the pin details for Node MCU. And now I'm entering into that Blynk. Okay, what is Blynk? Actually, I told you in the beginning of this presentation, IoT platform is the mediator between the sensor and then a user interface. Okay, so you just go to the to Google, and if you Google it, okay, just a minute. Okay, if you just Google it, Blynk. Okay, there are a lot of pages will be appearing, so you can just click okay, Blynk. Yeah, you can see. Yes, yeah, fine. So you can just type Blynk. Okay, and it will direct you to the results. Here you can okay click Blynk Cloud. Okay, so if you just click Blynk Cloud, okay, it will ask you to log in. The login details are very simple. Okay, already I did some part. Okay, if you log in, you will find this page. Okay, are you clear? So now only I'm entering into the main thing of the presentation, so you just know what is Blynk. So here I'm going to explain about the important part of the IoT platform, Blynk platform. This is very easy and very simple to use it. Okay, fine. So let's see. I just googled the term Blynk, and I got some information I need to give to log to like sign up. First, you sign up, and you will get this page. This is the first page. What you have to do, you have to first click the developer zone. Here, is it visible? Excuse me. Anyone, please.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah, fine. So first you click a developer zone. If you click the developer zone, it will ask you to give the name of your template. Okay. So for example, I already did one small template for giving you the presentation. So I just want to give this one is try. Or for example, if you want to do the project smart garbage system, you can just okay, just type the name of this is your name of your template, just like a name of the project. Okay, then what happened? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So I gave the name of the template, and okay, you can see here I will give that name smart garbage, and what hardware you're going to use, that is the next one. Okay, so I'm repeating. First, you after the sign up formalities, you will get this page. Here you can click the developer zone. In this developer zone, if you click okay, you will find this my template option. Here you can click the new template and type the name. Okay, fine, and you have to select what type of hardware we are going to use. Okay, so in this demo, I'm going to use this ESP8266, or we can call it Node MCUs. Okay, so and what type of connectivity we are connecting to the Wi-Fi, and that's all. It's done. Okay, so now we name the project. Okay, and here in this link we are called this is template. I hope it's clear. Okay, shall I move to the next one? The next one is creating a data stream. So if you click a data stream, okay, you will have this icon to add a new data stream. So that means what are the things you're going to, okay, add in your project. So I told you in my project, actually I want to show you the diagram first of all. Okay, just a minute. So this is the diagram. Okay, this is my project diagram. Okay, so here this is your node MCU. I'm going to connect ultrasonic sensor, which is in the top, and IR sensor, which is in the middle, and then a servo motor. This is my circuit diagram. In this one, you can see this ultrasonic is having 4 pins. Other than that VCC and ground, we have two more pins that is called trigger and echo. Similarly, this IR sensor is having VCC and ground. Other than that, we have another signal pin. This is the digital signal. So where the digital signal is going, the digital signal is going to this pin number D7. Similarly, the echo and trigger pins is going to pin number D5 and D6. So very simple connection. Okay, and also the servo motor is having 3 pins, either positive and negative. Other than that, we have a signal. That signal is going to this D2. So this is my circuit diagram. I'm going to connect these things in the board. So we are familiar about this node MCU. Okay, we have 16 pins. So like this, we can connect. Okay, and what I'm going to do in this Blynk app, this is important. Okay, so I just want to spend the time here. Just a minute. Yeah. So I'm going to assign the pin detail in this Blynk app. Okay. So I'm going to select a virtual pin. Right. So here I want to give. So what are the things I want to show you in your mobile? For example, if you want to open and close the dustbin, okay, you need a, okay, two devices. For example, IR sensor. So the IR sensor is going to sense the people, those who want to use it. So once the person is coming near to this IR sensor, it will be triggered, and then it's going to, okay, operate the servo motor. So the IR signal is going to control the servo motor on and off. Okay, and we have one more sensor, ultrasonic sensor, that is going to monitor the level of the garbage bin. Okay, if the pin is filled, we are going to display, okay, 0 percentage, sorry, means 100% is full. If the level is low, okay, the availability we are going to show you, right? So here I'm going to give the name. For example, I'm going to display this one is garbage level. Okay, I want to give you, this is a distance. Okay, for example, the distance between the dustbin bottom and then the top, this is called the distance. So I want to assign the pin. If I am going to assign V0, okay, V0 we can select. Otherwise, if you want to allocate V1, we can select. Okay, so any pin you can select. Okay, so I'm going to assign here V1. So what you have to do, click the data stream and click this icon and go to the virtual pin and select the pins according to your need. For example, distance. Okay, it's fine, that's all, very simple. Then you can select distance in centimeter. Okay, so if you click centimeter, the unit will be appear. That's all. Okay, so minimum and maximum, I want maximum 100. Okay, so right, and finally you click that create button. That's all. So we created that data stream for the distance. Similarly, if you want to create some other data stream, for example, I want to um, find the operation of the servo motor. So I'm going to give the name servo, and I'm selecting pin V1, and this is nothing but the angle. Okay, so I want degree. Okay, the unit is degree. So similarly, whatever the unit you want, you can do. And maximum 0 to 90 I want to fix it. Okay, just opening and closing the smart pin. Okay, that's all, and I can create. Okay, and the last one, I want to create a pin bin level. Okay, that means that the dustbin what we are going to monitor, that level we are going to, so this pin we can select V2, and that we are going to things in percentage. Okay, how much percentage of space is available, that we can use here, right? So we created the 3 data stream. That's all. I told you, if you sit and focus, it will take only 30 to 35 minutes to complete the project. Okay, it's not that much complicated. Okay, fine, that's all. Now what happened after the data stream, you have to click the web dashboard. So this is the thing you want to display in your screen. Okay, so for example, you can see we want to add some widgets. There are several widgets are there. For example, I want to display, okay, this number, for example the percentage. Okay, I want to display, so that I can use a display like this card. So what you have to just track and drop here, that's all. It's very simple. So let's see. Okay, and also I want to add the label. For example, if you want, you can just drag it and keep it. So if you want to give some name, okay, that's also possible. That's all available here. If you scroll down, whatever you want, you can just use it. Okay, there are so many widgets are there. Okay, if you want to connect one led, that also possible. So once if you select in your dashboard, then we have to give the proper pin details. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, I'm going to click the settings icon. Here I have to select which one for which one. Okay, for example, we already created the data stream for distance pin servo, right? So this title is optional, so straight away I'm going to click. For example, I want to display that bin level. Here means I want to select this one, that's all. Okay, then I can save. Similarly, okay, this gauge I want to show that stepper motor. Okay, so I'm servo motor, sorry. So I go to select this servo data stream. Okay, so like that you have to select each and every one in this option. Okay, so I have to select here and select this P1, that's all. So this is very simple. First you have to click the, so far I'm going to give you the summary. Going to click the developer zone. Once the developer zone is there, you have to set a new template. Once the template is over, then you have to give the name, select the device like a hardware name, and also the connectivity details. Afterwards you have to click the data stream, then you have to give whatever the things you want. Then this is your web dashboard, and you have to assign the data stream for each thing you have added, that's all. If you all done, then you have to save it. Are you clear? So once you save, and you can click the devices. So if you click the devices, you will find this page, and here you have to add this one. So first we created the template, then this template we have to click. Okay, I created the name. Okay, so this I have to add. So once you've done this one, you will get this information. So please listen, this is the first step. You have to click the developer zone, and you have to did all this selection parts. Once you selected, then you have to click this devices, and you have to add the template into this device. So once you done, you will have this codes. This is used to, okay, link the devices in this IoT platform. So whatever the devices you are having, that devices you have developed the data stream, and for that we need some ID to link in the code. So that is done by here. So you can copy this one and you can enter in your code. So this is my code. As I told you, there is a default user friendly codes are there. Only it will take a few minutes to alter. Here what I have to do, okay, I have to change this Blynk templates. Whatever is assigned, that I'm going to add here. Then I want to give this ssid and password. Then here in the program I defined the pin numbers for the sensors. Okay, we are using that ultrasonic servo motor and IR, that details I'm given. This is the pin details. Once you've done, you have to compile the program. This is the button to compile. Once there is no error, then you have to click the second arrow mark. This is for uploading the code. Once you're done, you have to check the results. Okay, so I already connected my device in my SSID. So I'm just going to power up, okay, by using this. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, where it is. Okay, just a minute. So I'm going to power up, okay, by using this card. Okay, just a minute. You can see, yeah, the cable is here. Okay, so I'm going to connect my USB cable. Okay, that USB cable I'm going to connect to this node MCU USB port. Okay, there is no need external power supply. You can directly connect that to your laptop USB cable slot. Then you can find it. You can see I'm just connecting my slot. Okay, okay, USB slot, and that I'm going to give to this node MCU board. And here I connected. Once I connected, I want to just show my Blynk dashboard. Okay, so you can see this is already I done. Here you can find, okay, this status is comes online. Okay, so this is my dashboard. Okay, right now you can find these are the pins. I can't show you this one properly. I don't know whether how it is visible. Okay, just want to confirm where it is. Where is the meeting link? Okay, just a minute. I'm searching the link. I want to see how this one is visible to your screen. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, you can see. Okay, just I connected all these things, and this is your node MCU. Okay, if I vary, you see this is the IR sensor. Okay, if some people are coming and close to this dustbin, what happened? It will activate it and it will operate the servo motor that you can see in your Blynk app screen. Okay, wait a minute, where it is. Just a minute. Okay, it is here. You can see here. Now I just keep my hands close to this IR. Okay, so what happened? Okay, it will sense, and you can see now the dustbin is open, is closed. If someone is coming near, I just show my hands here. So what happened? It will sense the object and the pin is open, so that you can find out in the servo angles. If you remove my, if you can see, I remove my hands and the pin is closed now. So the motor what I'm going to use, servo motor, that will use to open and close the pin. And here this is your ultrasonic sensor. We are going to find the measure the distance, and that equivalence percentage we can see in the garbage level. You can see I can just move my hands closer to that one. That means the distance of the pin is reduced. You can see that in the screen. Whenever my hands are close to the sensor, what happened? The distance is almost producing. That is nothing but the waste. If it is coming very much close, what happened? The distance is 100 centimeter. Okay, and then the garbage level is okay, almost full. Okay, so this is 2 centimeter and the garbage level is okay, 80 something. So this is the things you can monitor anywhere in the world, and the same thing you can create in your mobile dashboard also. So you can see here, this is the smart garbage system. Okay, I explained the basic things. Okay, and if time permits in future we will discuss in detail. So you just try so many details, so many informations are available in websites, and there are very good YouTube channels are there. Okay, you can refer these things, and definitely you will get more information. This is just um, introductory discussion. I hope if you practice and if you try something, definitely you will get a lot of information. Okay, that's all today's presentation. Yeah, thank you so much. If you have any queries, you can ask me now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, students have some doubts, sir.
Yes, please.
Actually, in what language we have to write coding, sir?
You can use C, C++. We can use to write in that Arduino program. It's very user friendly. You can see here.
Is can we use Python in that, sir?
I think some research is going on regarding that, but this is very simple codes. You can see here. Yeah, this is
Okay,
very
sir. Can you
basic.
see the
Yeah,
basic suits?
yeah.
Okay, sir. What's the lifetime of this chip, sir? If you build a
Like,
project, how long
yeah.
it works, sir?
Actually, there are two options available, madam. Actually, you can see this screen. This screen is for that beginner level. Okay, how long the device is connected with this internet? Up to that time, the device is sensing and it will give the information to this zone. Okay, this is no paid version. This is free version, especially for the educational institutions. But there is some limitation. You can develop only okay two templates. For example, if I want to add one more template, you cannot add the devices. So if you want to go that one, you can add that extra option. Okay, upgrading option here you can add. So if you pay something, based on that you can add so many as many whatever you want. But even if you add this to, okay, how long the devices is in that connectivity zone, up to that time you will get the informations.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Really, the session was very wonderful, sir. Actually, our student is new to this session, new to this
Yes, ma'am.
technology
Yes,
also.
sure.
Yes, sir. And they plan to do a mini project and a main project in that area also, sir. So really,
Definitely.
it's yours is very useful, sir.
Thank you so much for the time, madam, and I would like to say my heartfelt thanks to all the organizing members, especially Dr. Selva Perumal, Dean
No
Research,
Perumal,
for
sir.
this opportunity. Yeah.
It's a,
Okay. Thank you
we
so
also
much.
have to thank him, sir,
Okay,
for
madam. Okay. Thank you
introducing
so much.
you.
Yeah. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
sir.
ma'am.
And also,
Okay.
an apologies for that, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, we
No
conduct more
issue. Okay,
this
ma'am.
time
Okay,
only
ma'am.
we fix, sir.
No issue, ma'am. I am also belongs to Ramnathpuram. I have spent my 4 years UG in Ramnath, so I know the people and everyone is not a much deal. It's okay.
Okay,
No
okay,
issue.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, madam. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Definitely, we
Okay,
will
ma'am.
test,
I'm
sir.
leaving.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. I'm leaving the session. Thank you so much.
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.